To begin this recipe, you will need a can of white beans, some lemon juice or cream of tartar, and some powdered sugar. Strain the beans through a strainer and collect the liquid in a bowl. Now the first thing you want to do is just aerate this liquid without adding anything else. So just start whisking it and getting those bubbles out. Now you can add lemon juice or cream of tartar. Alternate whisking and adding your powdered sugar step by step, and you'll start to see this aquafaba transform. Occasionally stop to scrape the sides down. Test spoon. If the meringue slides off your spoon easily, it's not ready yet. You need to keep whisking. Do the spoon test one more time, and this time if it sticks, that means it's ready. Using a 7 cm ring mold, spoon 2 tablespoons of meringue into the mold and shape it into a circle. Use the middle of your spoon and scoop out an indentation in the center of each meringue. This will help it to flatten and hold your berries in a more stable way. Finally, they are ready to be baked. While the meringue is baking, let's get going on the coconut whipped cream. The coconut cream needs to be chilled for about 8 hours. You only want to work with the top fat layer and don't use the separated water at the bottom. Add some vanilla, a pinch of salt, and now you can begin whisking. Occasionally you want to stop and scrape the sides of the bowl down. Add sugar as you whisk. Stop and taste and adjust the sweetness and vanilla to your preference. If necessary, add more sugar and vanilla. Now put the cream into the fridge to thicken up even more. Combine cherries and powdered sugar in a bowl. Add blueberries, or any other berry of your choice. A fresh squeeze of lemon. This isn't essential, but if you have rose water or any other edible essential oil or water, you can add it at this stage. I happen to love rose water with fruit. Get your chilled cream out of the fridge and spoon some into a piping bag. Secure the bag. Place your first baked meringue on a white plate and start piping shapes along the edge. Spoon some of your fragrant berries on top of the coconut cream. Add the second meringue and pipe cream along the edges again. Spoon more berries on top of the coconut cream. Put the final meringue on top and do your final piping along the edge of the meringue. Now you're ready to add your big, beautiful red cherries on top of the final meringue. Spoon the last of your berries over the cherries, and now you are ready to serve.